Setting up Nova Trading Board with the Telegram and BullX is a pretty simple thing to do. I will show you a complete guide how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. I will be providing the Trading and Nova board link in the description below, so you will be redirected to their Telegram board. So simply once you are on this page, go ahead and click on Start Board button, and it will redirect you to the Telegram application. And go ahead and open it up. So all you have to do is just simply click on the start button and it will provide you with your Solana wallet address and all the functions right here. We're not going to use these functions because what we're going to do first, we're going to set up the Nova board with the BullX. So just go back to your Google Chrome, go to your BullX, and in the BullX, go to the wallet manager. In the wallet manager, go to the add wallet, type in the name for the wallet, which is Nova wallet, and select the Solana as a address. And in the enter wallet address, just simply go ahead and copy the address that is given by the board and paste it in the Solana address over the BullX website. So simply go ahead and click on add wallet, and that way your wallet is now been added. Here you guys can see that it is being added, and there's 3 hours pending verification for it to in order to activate your wallet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the Telegram, and here you guys can see that the BullX says that new wallet has been added and it will take 3 hours to verify it, and then we will be able to withdraw the Solana using that. So the other thing is now that we're gonna use the Nova board extension over the Google Chrome. So simply go ahead and search Nova extension in the Google Chrome and you will see this, and simply go ahead and add it up. And once you have added up, you will see this sort of extension right here. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.